In this video, I'll show you how to boost the performance in Potato PC. Check my video description for this mod. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And then go to Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5. Drag and drop this settings XML to desktop and drag and drop this settings XML in here. Once you're done, right click on the settings that we dropped in desktop and select Edit in Notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Copy this graphics card name. Then close tab here and minimize. Right click on the settings and select Edit in Notepad. Scroll down. Paste the graphics card name we copied. Once you're done, select File and select Save option. Now you can launch the game. And now you can enjoy the game on your Potato PC. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.